In this video, I will show you how to fix any internet Wi-Fi problem on your Samsung TV. So, if your Samsung TV is unable to connect to Wi-Fi, or the TV is able to connect to your Wi-Fi network but there is no internet access, or you're having the problem where the TV is unable to find your Wi-Fi network even though your Wi-Fi is turned on, or the Samsung Smart TV Wi-Fi is not just working for no reason, in this video I will give you 4 quick solutions that will definitely help you fix any problem you have with your Wi-Fi network on your Samsung TV. Now, it doesn't matter the size or model of Samsung TV you have, you just want to go ahead and try each and every one of the 4 solutions I'm going to offer in this video, and trust me, one of them is going to work out for you. Now, for the first solution, basically what you just want to do is to go ahead and turn off your Samsung TV. So just press on the power button on your remote control to turn off the TV, and then you want to go over to the wall socket where your Samsung TV is connected. Go ahead and unplug the TV from the wall socket, wait for about 10 to 20 seconds, and then just plug back the TV to the wall socket. This is basically you hard restarting the TV, and most times it actually fixes the internet Wi-Fi problem on your Samsung TV. So once that is done, you just want to go ahead and turn on your Samsung TV now. And once the TV is turned on, before you proceed to connect the TV to your Wi-Fi or your hotspot network, you want to make sure that there is actually internet access on your Wi-Fi or your hotspot network. You can try connecting other devices to your Wi-Fi or hotspot and see if there is actually internet access, and if there is, you can then proceed to connect your Samsung TV to the same Wi-Fi by coming over to the general settings over here, and then to the network settings. Go over to open network settings over here, make sure you select wireless, and then the TV should be able to find your Wi-Fi network and then just connect to it by selecting your Wi-Fi and entering your password. But if after trying all of these, it still does not work out for you, my second solution to fix any internet Wi-Fi problem on your Samsung TV is to basically make sure that the date and time on your Samsung TV is correct and exactly the same as the date and time on your Wi-Fi or your router. To do this, you want to head over to the settings of the TV. So from the settings over here, you want to scroll down to the general settings. Scroll over to the right, and then you just want to scroll down to the date and time settings under the system manager over here. Select that. Under the time option, you want to make sure that you select clock, and then also make sure that clock mode is actually set to auto, and then the time zone is also set to auto as well. This will help to ensure that the date and time on your Samsung TV is correct and exactly the same as the date and time on your router. Once this is done, you can try connecting your Samsung TV to the Wi-Fi network again by coming over to your network settings. Make sure you select the wireless option and then just allow the TV to search for Wi-Fi network one more time and see if it finds your Wi-Fi network, and then go ahead and connect to it. Majority of the time, this actually fixes the issue where your Samsung TV is connected to the Wi-Fi but there is no internet access. But if this solution does still not work out for you, another thing you can actually do to fix any internet Wi-Fi problem on your Samsung TV is to just go ahead and reset the internet Wi-Fi settings of your Samsung TV. To do this, basically you want to head over to the settings of the TV one more time, and then from the settings over here, you want to scroll down to the general settings, then come over to network settings, and then you just want to come over to the reset network option over here. Select that. Just go ahead and click on the reset option over here. This will actually erase and forget all of your Wi-Fi networks. And what you want to do at this point is to just go ahead and select the network settings option over here, and then select wireless. Now at this point, allow the TV to search for your Wi-Fi network, and then just select your Wi-Fi and proceed to enter your password, and then just click on the done button. And trust me, this will most likely fix any internet Wi-Fi problem you have on your Samsung TV, and it will also enable your Samsung TV to find your Wi-Fi network, especially if it was unable to find it before. My final solution to fix any internet Wi-Fi problem on your Samsung TV is to go ahead and change the DNS settings of the TV. To do this, you just want to go over to the Wi-Fi or network settings, and from the Wi-Fi or network settings, go ahead and click on network status over here, and then you just want to go ahead and click on IP settings. So just scroll over to IP settings, select that. You just want to come over to the DNS settings over here, and we are going to be actually setting it to that of Google. So click on get automatically and then select enter manually. At this point, you want to scroll over to the DNS server over here, and then make sure you enter 8.8.8. So just go ahead and enter 8.8.8. Once you're done, go ahead and click on the OK button on your remote control. Now this is actually Google's DNS server, and once you're done, you want to scroll down and click on OK. Trust me, this will actually make your internet connection even more faster than before. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.